anyone talks about how I was late about this video, I'm gonna go to your house and I'm gonna kill you in your sleep. Nah, but all jokes aside, the reason I'm late about this video is because I went to go see the Sonic the Hedgehog 2 movie, and then I went bowling, and then I went to Dairy Queen. Alright. Oh my Jesus. Boost much? There's a new set. Oh. Jesus. New set of cosmetics in the store. Better stock up on your reindeer. It looks like it could start raining and then so you're saying there's gonna be weather. That's what you're saying. 1 second, I'm gonna let me see. Rainy. What the freak? Whoa, that's cool. Got like an egg, rain. What is it? Whatever that is. Oh, I think they're bunnies. Got rain clouds. Bro, what the I like this more. Bro. Oh my, this is sick. This is sick. This is sick. I love this. I love this so much. Okay, I'm gonna real quick take off my I have something in my pocket. Give me a second. Okay, I put that on my desk. Alright, sorry. Alright, I'm gonna take off my stuff. Okay, hats, take off. Badges. Alright, now, I don't think I can buy any of it unless I buy some shiny rocks, which I might do. Money. What the freak? This is weird, bro. This is gonna get all up in your face, bro. So weird. God, what? Okay, I like this. This is like one of my personal favorites. Can I look inside? Haha, this is sick. I love this. Got a little. I look like a fireman, kind of like one of those like plastic toy. Oh my. Monkey. Haha, monkey. Monkey, yes. I like monkey. Monkey. Did I look at the yellow one? I already looked at the yellow one. The gold one. Ew. Bro. Yeah. Got badges. What is the badge? Oh, blue, yellow. Oh my goodness. This update it's amazing. I like it. It's cool. Great for Easter. Plus new weather. That's gonna be, I don't know how that's gonna be, but hopefully it's good. I would say that it would kind of be something like City, maybe. Just like they would like take the particles of like the city rain and stuff like that, and probably put it probably put it in the forest. I think that would look cool. So like different weather would change from normal to rain. Hopefully there's like storms and stuff like that, because if there's like storms or something, that would be sick. Like it'd be raining, but while me and Cool Crush and Anti Games, we noticed how many stars there are. Like, why? This is unnormal. Well, yeah, guys, this is the new Easter update. I like it a lot. I think it's really cool, really unique. Looks really nice, and yeah, peace, fellas.